let's now see what is the fill between function. Now fill between is used to fill area between two horizontal curves. 2 points x comma y1 and x comma y2 define the curves. This creates one or more polygons describing the filled areas between x, y1 and y2. Now what we can do is that y1 is x is given these points, y1 is some point and y2 is some point. Now let's see how you can do this plot. First target is f x plt dot subplots. Then we go for x dot fill between. Now this is how we apply the fill between. Now see, it already came fill between. Okay. So first we give the x comma y1, then we give the y2. Here is some alpha value, like how the color value will be there, 5, and keep the line with 0. Now ax dot plot x comma y1. Now here is the point, like the middle line. Now this is how you do the middle line. So for the middle line we need to go to get the middle portion. So what we can do is that we can take the average of y1 and y2. That will give us the points, the middle points, and those points will together make up the line. So divided by 2 and then line width equals to 2. Okay. Now we can keep the x dot set. Here we will keep xlim. Now as we already did in the previous part, let's just copy the same thing because this is already the same thing. So we will do this part only, putting the xlim, ylim, xting and ytix. Okay, so we are copying it from here and we are putting it here. Okay, from our next point, tutorials, we will keep this part constant, like we are keeping the data constant. Okay, so now we will put plt dot show. Okay, let's run this. See, right now there is no middle line yet shown. So let's see what we can do about it. The subplots fill between x, y1 and y2 is given. Okay, so alpha here is 5. So what happens is that when alpha is 5, that means it is very much strong. So that is the reason the middle line got invisible. So put it like 0.5. Okay, put it 0.5. Now I guess the middle line will be visible. See, now the middle line is visible. So actually what happens is that using the alpha value you can change the density of this color. Like when you put less value, it will be less dense, like put 1. So see, it will be very, let's see, on putting 1 you can actually not see it because it will be so less. So let's just put probably 3. Let's see how it works. See, it's very light. So when you put higher values, like when you put like 10, you will see it's a very deep color. See, it is very deep, and the middle line is hard to recognize from here. So keep it a less value so that you can actually understand the difference between the middle line and the density and the other side plot, fill between plots. Okay,